Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.mantosetthemselfonfire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Alright, so today, as I promised on the live yesterday, I want to show you guys what I've been doing since I've been ordered to stay at home by my governor. Now, full disclosure guys, I always buy things that I can reinvest back into the channel to make these productions a little better. So I told you guys yesterday I was going to do some unboxing of some of the things I brought since I've been at home. Make sure that you're washing your hands. Try not to touch your eyes and face when you're out in public, guys. Practice social distance. We can get through the coronavirus together. But in the meantime, I get the order from Amazon. So this year camera that I brought is the G9, and as I'm doing this video, I'm going to pop up the unboxing right about now. So the Panasonic G9 costs around about $1,000. It's just for the body. You're not going to get the lens with it. It is a mirrorless 4K camera. Now the great thing about it is that it just did a software update, so now you can have a little bit more video options with it. Now I love this camera guys because it has some great overall specs, a lot of programmable keys. It allows you to do several things. It have a megapixel of 20.3, 60 frames per second. You can shoot 4K. This is not a full sensor, but like I said, you can do 4K video with it. It gives you excellent quality videos, and I was super excited that I was able to get this camera at a steal. It just allowed me to tweak things a little better. Now as you can tell, it has a lens that can be flipped out, and I'm able to just go ahead, flip the lens out. I can see myself, frame myself, and film myself. So that's an excellent feature right there. And they have this new technology to improve their autofocus. Full disclosure, it does depend on the lens, but it's doing a great job so far. All right, the next item I brought was the Rode mic. Now the Rode mic wireless is the mic that I'm using right now, and I can see now I'm peaking. I should have went inside the camera and turned down the volume, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this audio in post when I edit. I might have to just do a voiceover, but hey, here it is, the Rode wireless mic. You can't even see it, but I got it underneath my shirt. Pull it out for you guys right quick. And you can use a lavalier mic or have a built-in mic with it that comes with it. But you can just take it and clamp it to your client, right? And get adjusted, move it around. So I already know that I gotta go inside of my audio and change some things. This is great, man. The receiver is small, the transmitter is small. Like I said, you can just clamp it on the client. LED indicators for batteries. I mean, overall, you know, Rode mics, they produce some great quality things. Next guys, well, you know that I cracked my Note 10. So here's the replacement of my Note 10, and I was like, hey, why not, you know, go ahead and get me another backup phone. You know, the channel reviewed several phones last year. I wound up giving them away. So I was like, hey, why not have some backup phones? Now the Note 10 is the flagship phone last year from Samsung. This phone can do just about anything. I got this Xiaomi M9T as a backup. The great thing about this is that pop-up camera. I absolutely love that feature. They have some great specs, guys. I mean, basically the Samsung is a $1,200 phone, and the Xiaomi MT9 costs like about $300. And I mean, what you're getting for the specs is absolutely amazing bargain. So if you are one of those that want to get into smartphones, I always recommend that you go and you buy a previous flagship, meaning phones that had flagship specs the year before. You go back and you buy that phone, you know, after it got a year or two underneath its belt. Still gonna have good specs. 6 gigs coming out of this thing. In comparison is the Note 10 have 12 gigs, but 6 gigs is no slouch, guys. Some of you still got phones that only got 2 gigs in it. All right. And of course I got divisible phone. So these are some of the things that I have in right now, guys. Today I will be getting the Beat Studio. It's the Wireless Beat Studio 3 that's going to be coming in today. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see an unboxing of that. Like I said, we wasn't diving into the specs and showing you the operations, just doing some unboxing, just things that I've been getting since I've been quarantined. So guys, make sure you're staying safe out there. Make sure you're washing your hands. This is just a quick video, keeping my word, keeping my promise. Hey, if you want to learn my method on how you can sell internet using hotspots, unlimited, unthrottled, $100 donation, the information is in the description of the video. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you want me to do an unboxing or even a review on the Beat Studio Wireless 3 by Dr. Dre. So that's coming in. So original price was $349. I didn't pay that price for it. I paid $200. If you want me to review it, guys, go ahead and leave a comment below. Hey, it's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.